Are you having fun learning Fur Elise and learning how to polish it and make it just right? I hope you are. Get out your music, get out your pencil so you can mark things in your music that I'm showing you. Don't just try to remember it. Mark it in your music. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to look at page 2. So grab your music and turn to page 2, and we're looking first at measure 31. Find measure 31 in your music. Actually, I think it might be, yes, it is measure 31. Let's look. Okay, so I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so now notice, let's look at the left hand. Okay, so what we're doing here, let me move my toolbar out of the way because it's right in my way. Okay, so here you're playing these notes correct. The left hand has bass clef notes C and E. Then it has treble clef notes F and G, which is an interval of a second, then a third, then a fourth, then a triad. And then look, a bass clef sign, which means we need to go down below middle C. And you're accidentally, after here, F and G, E and G, D and G, then the triad, you're playing an octave higher. That's too high. Go down below middle C. Then we go back up above middle C. See the treble clef? Let me scroll up. Okay, and then our triad. And then look, there's the bass clef sign again. We got to go down below middle C. And this time, G sharp and B. Oh, how interesting. And then don't forget, we went over this in the other video, but let's see where it is. Oh, maybe it's not on this page. It's not on this page. It's on the first page. What I wanted to remind you of, let's see here, is the hand switching thing. Left hand, right hand, left hand. Okay, a lot of people do that wrong. And make sure you know where you are and how many of those to do. Make sure you're counting. So when you finally get, don't just do it by ear. If you just do it by ear and kind of guess, those are the people that get it wrong. When you finally get to there, it's and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. So when the right hand finally finishes, the right hand finally takes it up, and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. It's just like at the very beginning. The beginning just doesn't have that little and on it. It's 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. So here the second pink box is no different. It just has a little and, 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Don't mess that up. So many people mess that up. You can get it correct. Okay, so you're ready to send me another video of page 1 and page 2 after you practice this with the metronome on. Work on these little ornaments. Work on getting the left hand in the correct spot, in the correct octave, so your hand is going to move down, then back up, then down again. Have fun practicing Fur Elise. You're doing a very, very good job. I think I might make you one more video to get you on the right track for that next section. So you're doing the A section and the B section, then the return of the A section again, and then the C section. That's the section that seems to be the most challenging for most people. So I'll see if I can help you with that a little bit. Have fun working on Fur Elise. See you later.